Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the INDATA project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Today I'm recording an on-screen tutorial to show you how to access our equipment lending library for assistive technology. So here in the state of Indiana, we have a collection of around 2,000 assistive technology items. And if you live in the state of Indiana, you have access to borrow those items if you need to try them out, if you're sending yours in for repair, for whatever reason you're interested, we allow folks to borrow items from our library. What you're going to do is, well, because we have so many items and they change all the time, it's not possible for us to print a standard catalog of those items. It just changes too much. So what we have created is a website that allows you to see what we have in the library if it's available and to learn about those kind of things. So if you go on your web browser to eastersealstech.com/library, it's going to take you to a page that'll get you there. And the first thing you're going to find on our website here is a link that says click here to access our online library. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to our library's main page. The first thing you're going to find is a listing here of categories. And all of the equipment in our library is categorized by the kind of disability or the kind of functional capacity it addresses. So I'm going to pick vision loss right down here and have it show me some of the items that are in our library for vision loss. So I select vision loss, I click search, and it'll bring up a listing here. And you're going to see that all the items have something to do with vision impairment. There's a braille embosser, there's a video magnifier, lots of handheld magnifiers, a glare screen, even a white cane down here. So if you pick one of these items, like this handheld video magnifier here, and click on its name, it'll take you to that item's landing page. And what you're going to find when you get there is a picture, a description, information about the manufacturer, perhaps a link back to the manufacturer, whether or not it's available for loan, and the cost of the item. Now, we don't charge for folks to borrow our items, but we like you to know the cost of the items that you're borrowing in case you want to buy one. So we find out here that this item's available for loan. The other thing you can do is you can search by keyword. So let's say that you happen to know that you're looking for a Besser magnifier. So you type Besser into the item search and click enter or type enter, and it's going to take you to a list of all the things that have Besser in them. And again, we can find that same magnifier here by searching by the keyword instead of the category. Now, if you want to borrow one of these items, you have to have an account. There's no cost to have an account. You just have to live in the state of Indiana. And then what you do is you click on the login button here, and it's going to either ask you for your name, your username, and your password if you've already set that up, or there's a place here where you can click to set up a new account in case you don't have one already. We ask a few simple questions, and then you've got your account set up. Once you log in, you click submit, and then you have the ability to request a loan for that item. And when you do that, it's going to say, well, you're requesting a loan for the 10 times Besser LED magnifier. You tell us why you're borrowing it, whether it's about making a decision or it's a loaner while you're getting yours fixed or waiting on funding, or a short-term accommodation. You select that item, click Submit Loan Request, and then it tells you here that your loan has been submitted and a verification email has been sent to you. So you'll get an email right away verifying that you got the loan requested, and then our staff will contact you to talk about how can we get that item to you. Can you come pick it up? Can we ship it to you? Those sorts of things. So that's a quick way to learn about how to access and learn the items that are in our assistive technology lending library. If you have more questions about that, you can send an email to the address on the screen below, which is tech@eastersealscrossroads.org, or you can call us at 888-466-1314. So that's been your tech tip for this week and your on-screen tutorial. I'm Wade Wingler with the INDATA project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.